You've built the business, you've hit the milestones, but something still feels off. You're showing up every day, doing the work, but the results don't match the effort. You've got the vision, but your systems, your energy, your mindset, they're not speaking the same language. I'm Anthony Ennie, NLP Trainer and Entrepreneur. I help people align their inner world with their outer success. Here's the truth. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And if your systems, your habits, your beliefs are all out of alignment, no strategy will fix it. Look, you can't meditate your way out of burnout or manifest your way past bad habits. You've got to rewire how your brain and energy operate from the inside out. That's what High Vibe Shift is about. Each week, we'll bridge science and spirit to help you train your subconscious mind, break through limits, and create success that feels effortless, not forced. You'll hear real conversations about mindset, growth, and the kind of leadership that starts with who you are, not just what you do. Because when you raise your vibe, you don't just raise your income, you raise your entire life. This is the High Vibe Shift, the podcast for entrepreneurs who are ready to stop grinding and start aligning. Subscribe now and get ready to rewire, realign, and rise.